GenAI with data engineering integrates to powerful technologies, offering transformative solutions for modern data challenges. Presented by Local Promotion, this session explores their combined potential. Understanding generative AI and data engineering provides a foundation to harness their combined power for innovative applications, transforming data into actionable insights and groundbreaking solutions. Generative AI is a groundbreaking technology that creates synthetic data, mimicking real data sets, and opening new frontiers in creativity and machine learning capabilities. Generative AI involves unsupervised learning to generate new data, with applications in image generation, text to speech, and deepfakes crucial for innovative educational tools. Generative AI models include variational autoencoders, VAEs, generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformers, each offering unique data generation capabilities. Generative AI in art, music, and medical imaging showcases its diverse applications, blending creativity with technology and enhancing research and training. Ethical considerations in generative AI include bias, misuse, and the need for regulatory frameworks to ensure fair and responsible technology deployment. Data engineering focuses on collecting, storing, and processing large data volumes, forming the backbone of data-driven decision-making processes. Fundamentals of data engineering encompass data collection, transformation, and warehousing, essential for effective data management and utilization. Data engineering employs ETL processes, big data platforms, and orchestration tools like Apache Airflow to handle complex data workflows efficiently. Data quality and governance ensure accuracy, security, and compliance, vital for maintaining reliable and ethical data practices within organizations. Case studies in data engineering highlight its role in real-time analytics, personalized recommendations, and predictive maintenance, showcasing practical applications. Harnessing generative AI and data engineering together can revolutionize data generation, enhancing training datasets, and enriching data pipelines for new insights. Integration of generative AI with data engineering improves data diversity, predictive modeling, and offers new educational tool development opportunities. Advantages of this integration include enhanced data diversity and predictive modeling, while challenges involve technical complexities and ethical considerations. Future trends in generative AI and data engineering point towards emerging innovations, career opportunities, and educational pathways for aspiring students. A hypothetical case study on educational tool development demonstrates how these technologies can be combined to enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. Thank you for joining us. For more information or inquiries, please contact the local promotion team.